Hey guys, this is Miss Castillo and I'm going to be showing you how to use Flipgrid if you are on your Chromebook or on your computer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just make sure that you are on your school email. If you see I have my personal one, just make sure you're always on your school. It's just easier for you to turn in assignments. Sometimes your computer will flip it, so just make sure that you always sign back in. Go to your Google Classroom. Your Google Classroom should look something like this, depending on how many classes you have. You should have about seven different little Google Classrooms. Now, you want to go to the Google Classroom that you have your assignment on. You might have me fifth period, you might have me first period, you go to that one. For the sake of this, we're going to go to the Google Classroom tutorial. Uh, your Google Classroom should look something like this. Slowly, it'll start looking different just because you start adding the assignments. You're going to go over to classwork and you're going to find Flipgrid, getting to know you. Then you will click view assignment. Yours is going to look a little bit different just because, for example, yours is not going to say student work, just because this is my Google Classroom and you're not able to edit unless you're a teacher. Once you get to the assignment, you notice that it has the title, Flipgrid, it has the points, it has the due date. So this is due on August 26th at 11:59. It has the instructions. So these are the questions that you will be answering on your Flipgrid. They will appear again, so don't worry if you can't remember them already. Uh, you'll have different videos, so this video will be on here as well. And if you want to know how to use Flipgrid on your phone, you can always just click this YouTube video, and it's of me showing you how to use it on your phone. Now, the reason I told you to always be on your school, using your school email is because once you're on your school email, it'll take you straight to the Flipgrid using this link. If you don't, if you have a little app, then it might just ask you for the code, and I have added it. It'll always be at the bottom on here. Now, let's just go to the link. It takes you straight to Flipgrid. So there is the topic, getting to know you. I told you, don't worry if you forgot the questions. Here they are again. The responses will be down here. They're going to be completely public. So if you're scared to show your face, you can always just add an emoji and I'll help you how to do that. Um, Another thing is that they won't appear right away. So if you post the video and it doesn't show up right there, don't worry, I'll get to it. The reason I put that is because I don't want you guys to get in trouble if you accidentally say a bad word or you're probably out of dress code or something that will get you in trouble with the admins. So I have put it on private until I approve it, and then slowly you'll start seeing all your classmates posting their videos on here. Once you're ready, you can just record a response, or up here, record a response, and you click on there. It will say record, and then you have 1 minute. Don't worry, you don't have to make a minute long video. Slowly we'll start adding more time, but you can go over a minute. That's the time limit that I put on here. Then it'll show your camera. And the cool little thing about Flipgrid is that you can have little different options on here. You can mirror the video. You can add effects. So filters, we love those filters, right? So we can just add little different ones that are on here. If you're a little bit shy, you can always just use those that like black you out a little bit. That way you're not showing your face a lot if you're scared. But don't worry, there's another way that you can make it if you really like this filter and you still don't want to show your face, then I'll show you how to do it. So let's go with this filter. You can also add frames. So let's say I want to add this frame or this frame. Then you can just click on the frame you want. Go back. And the other way that you can cover your face is by adding an emoji. So you can click any emoji that you would like, make sure it's school appropriate, and you can just add it. Let's say I want to cover my face. I don't like how my face looks today. Then I can just put it on there and I can just record, and you can still see my hands, but you don't see my face. You can move it off to the side. You can add as many emojis as you want. Then once you're ready, you're going to click the camera. Once you are done, then you can stop on here. You can add more effects if you want to. You can redo it if you didn't like your video, or you can just click next. Now you are
Hi, my name is Miss
to
Castillo, and this is
review.
my flipgrid. I'm so excited to have you.
So you're able to see it again. You can add more. Let's say that you wanted to add a little bit more. Then if you feel like it's already ready, then go ahead and click next. Now you're going to take a selfie because you want a little thumbnail for your video. This is going to be the picture that's going to show in the front like you saw in my video. So snap a picture. You can just smile. You can always add the effects. Oh, I didn't like how I came out. Then I can just add an emoji. I can add a text. Different little things that you can do. Once you are ready, then you can just click next and it's uploading your video. Now over here, you're going to want to make sure that you put your name. Now I want you to put your full name because then I can give you credit. If not, then I might just have, let's say I have a John, or I might have a lot of Johns, or have John and Jose and Juan, and I don't know who's who. So just put all of them. If you really like a nickname, then you can just put it on the side, up to you. As long as your full name is on there, then you can click submit. And there you go. You can download the video, download the selfie if you like the selfie, download the QR code. It is completely up to you, but for now you are done. Until I approve it, then it'll show up on there. If you notice, it's not up here because it's hidden until I approve it. So there it is. That's how you use Flipgrid on your computer.